today we are docked in Curacao. I am so tired and sunburned from the past couple days. I got this dress in Aruba yesterday, but today we're getting a private yacht to take us snorkeling. It's gonna be just our family of 10 on a boat, and I am bringing my mermaid tail again. We're in Curacao. All right, everyone, this is our third cruise port for our South America / Southern Caribbean cruise. Yesterday, we were in Aruba, and the day before that, we were in Cartagena, Colombia. Don't take unnecessary journeys! Don't take uncalculated risks! We thought about booking an excursion through the boat, which is what we usually do, but since our party had 10 people, it actually wasn't a bad deal to book a private yacht. This company is called Salty Sun Charters, and they were absolutely wonderful for this entire day.
Hey, dude. Yes, get through. I saw that. Again. Oh my god.
Did you jump again?
All right, we've got snorkelers, we've got sun loungers, we've got a wanderer, and we've got a mermaid up there. Sarah is going to be my test model for lighting for mermaid pictures. Now put your head through the bar again because your face is shaded. Yes, now flick the tail. Oh, Sarah, this color looks so beautiful on you. Are you going in after it? Yeah. Okay, okay. We have a man overboard for a hat.
Hey guys, I got a dog.
How deep is the water here?
30 feet.
30 feet.
Yes, sir.
Are we taking bets on if he's able to retrieve it?
I'm saying
I think he's gonna get
No? You think yes?
30 feet. I say no.
No?
Get it.
Yes? What do you think?
Yeah, you say no?
No.
Then
Then it's probably no. What?
Did he get it?
Hey.
Oh my god!
So he's your brother? Who's that your brother?
Throw on your stuff.
Now it's extra cool.
Thanks.
After a couple hours of snorkeling, relaxing, and playing mermaids, it was time to head back to the dock. They even let Sarah drive the boat for a portion of it. Very windy, but we've got one more Curacao adventure because Aston wants waffles. Behind us is the city's bridge. It floats and they move it, like they're doing right now, to let boats pass. I believe it's the oldest in the whole island. It's called Queen Emma's Bridge. And here's the bridge, all lined up on our side. And now we can't get to the other side. We found it. Alright guys, after getting back on the boat and watching us take off, we got some dinner and enjoyed the rest of our night on the ship. Next week will be the entire cruise vlog with all the stops together plus our adventures on the boat, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Mwah!